The main benefit of using FixtureMate is it's very easy to use. It's very quick to produce fixtures for our factory. My name is Cem Gülaylar and I'm an employee of Audi Sport, and I deploy jigs, fixtures and tools for our factory here in Böllinger-Höfe, Heilbronn. We produce here the Audi R8 sports car and the Audi e-tron GT full electric car. In 2012 we began with 3D printing, and we begin with small hand tools to assemble the cars and make the working life for the workers better. We produce nearly 800 tools and jigs and fixtures for our factory here. Outsourcing needs more than 2 or 3, 4 weeks or a month. Depends on the supplier and the process to bring the order to the supplier. 3D printing helps us to get these tools in a very short time. The work comes to us and say, I need a picture to assemble the cars. It takes 1 day to get this tool in his hand. Normally when we make classic CAD constructions, we need a lot of time to make this tool in the CAD software. We started in 2019 with FixtureMate in our factory. We started to produce the Audi e-tron GT full electric car here. We need nearly 200 fixtures and tools for this new car. And FixtureMate helped us in a short time to bring a lot of fixtures. So we put our parts in FixtureMate and bring the fixture out of this software in a very short time, in minutes, 10 minutes, 50, 20 minutes. And normally in the classic CAD construction we need 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, depends on the size from the part. FixtureMate is very easy to use, so we can bring trainees and show them how to use the FixtureMate software, and they can directly work with this software and bring the fixtures in a short time. The workflow from FixtureMate is very easy. Put the part in, make the base plate, and we choose the supports, what we need to the part holding in. And after we have made the supports, we subtract the piece from the fixture itself. After then we make the name tags. If we want, we can put clamps also to the fixture. Then we can export it, bring it to Cura, and I give the parameters in the software, the layer thickness, the infill, and after then directly print in a very short time. Like I said, maybe in 20 or 30 minutes. We use tough PLA because it's cheap, it's easy to use, and TPU. We use TPU mostly for protection and protect car parts itself, and we also use ESD safe materials and sometimes ABS or PETG. 3D printing is for us a very fast and helpful thing for our factory and for our workers. The main thing in FixtureMate is they help us a lot in times we need a lot of fixtures in a short time. So I have time for the real challenges, yes.